Hello folks. Well, today, as you can already tell, this is not one of my normal videos that I post on my channel because I am home on vacation in Canada, in the Maritime, to be specific, the Miramichi. And today I'm going to be showing you the JBL Go 4. And before I get to that, you guys should just check this out where I am. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful here. This is on the Miramichi River in Douglastown, New Brunswick, Canada. It is so nice. There's ducks and geese here. Anyway, I need to stay focused because I'm going to talk to you, like I already said. This little puppy here, the JBL Go 4, it's the latest, the Go 4. Now, as you can already tell, it did not come like this. Because when I came home, I realized that since the last time I was home, my mother is quite a bit more hard of hearing and her eyesight is not quite what it used to be. So I decided to upgrade her TV, and by doing so, the TV that I upgraded it with has Bluetooth connectivity in it. So I had the brilliant idea to get her this little guy here, the JBL Go 4, and she can use Bluetooth to connect to it, and she can use the speaker and put it right behind her head while she's watching TV. And so far she has been loving it, because before she just stopped watching TV because she couldn't really hear a lot. But since I got this for her about a week ago, well, she's watching shows and kind of living a normal life like what she used to before she went more hard of hearing. Got the TV all hooked up, same size. The reason why I changed is because Mom would sit back here and she's hard of hearing, she can't hear. So this TV has Bluetooth connection. Got her this JBL speaker. Turn it on. And now you can hear. Much better. Now, like I already said, this did not come like this. What it is, this is just a little sticker I got at Walmart, and I put some tape on it so it wouldn't come off, because with these buttons it's not easy for Mom to see where the on and off button is, and every time she turns on the TV she does have to turn on the speaker. So this just helps her to see it. So of course the speaker does not come with this, but if you remember one of my previous videos, I had one of the Go 1s, the first editions, and this is a Go 4, the 4th edition, and you can see, well, it's just like it's been totally redone over. Same kind of shape, same kind of footprint, but it's just much more robust and looks like it kind of had a few injections of steroids. It does have a nice leash here to hang stuff off of. Mom doesn't have any use for that, but it is nice. And everything else is quite similar to even the first generation. I do notice that is louder and has more of a bassier punch to it. And it does come in lots of different colors. You can see here. Actually, I got this for the same price as a Go 3 on Amazon. I'll have a link for that down below if you want to check it out. Anyway, that is pretty much it for this video. It's the only video I made while I'm on vacation. Actually, I'm going back tomorrow. And a video that I will be posting in my video is a camera that I'm shooting this with, the Insta360 Ace Pro. And I also got this guy right here. I know you can't really see it because it's so discreet, but that is the Hololens Mark II. These are the smallest wireless Bluetooth mics on the market, and so far I'm loving it. Way better than the Comico that I had before. So if you want to check out the reviews with that, you can subscribe to my channel so you won't miss that, because that'll probably be the next video that I'll be posting on my channel when I get back to South Korea. And as usual, everything that I mentioned in this video, I'll provide the links down in the description down below, so you can swing over to Amazon and check them out for yourself. And if you're still watching, do me a big fat favor and hit the sub button and click like on this video and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.